Lesson 64, reading practice number 3. Dear Miss Rush, even though we dislike having to do so, we will have to raise the subscription rates for the magazine of music sometime this summer because our costs have seriously increased. Consequently, this is an advantageous time to renew your subscription, even though it will not actually run out for some time. We are offering our present customers an opportunity to extend their subscriptions for an additional 30 issues for only $25 paragraph. Take a few moments now, Miss Rush, to send us your renewal to the magazine of music, It is not necessary to include a remittances with your renewal, We will bill you later, Sincerely yours,